Omniscient is an adjective. That means having complete or unlimited knowledge, awareness or understanding. Someone or something that is omniscient is all-knowing, with the ability to see and understand everything. The word is often used to describe a divine being, such as God or the narrative perspective. In literature, where the narrator knows all aspects of the story. Origins of omniscient. Omniscient comes from the Latin omni, meaning all, and scientia, meaning knowledge. It entered English in the 17th century, originally used to describe the all-knowing nature of God in religious texts. Over time, it expanded to describe any person or perspective that seems to know everything about a situation. How to use omniscient. Omniscient is commonly used in both theological and literary contexts. In theology, it describes a divine power that is all-knowing. In literature, an omniscient narrator is one who has insight into every character's thoughts, feelings, and backgrounds, as well as future events. It can also be used to describe people or entities that seem to have deep knowledge or insight, though usually in a hyperbolic way. Example sentences. The author uses an omniscient narrator to provide insight into each character's private thoughts. The concept of an omniscient deity suggests a being who sees all events, past, present, and future. Similar words: all-knowing, having complete knowledge, all-seeing, having unlimited sight or perception, all-wise, possessing wisdom and insight without limitation. In essence, omniscient captures the idea of boundless knowledge and insight. It evokes the power to understand everything that can be known, transcending the limits of ordinary perception or understanding.